Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the pTron Bassbuds Vista True Wireless Earbuds. Now we are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the product looks like. On the left as well as the right side, you just have the name of the product as well as the brand. There's a little price sticker on the top. So we'll just go on to the back side and check out some of the specifications. So it uses Bluetooth version. Okay. Look at these specifications right here. The transmission range for this pair of earbuds happens to be 10 meters. The driver size is about 10 millimeters wide. You get a total playtime of 12 hours, that is with the case included. Battery capacity within each of the earbuds is 40 milliamp hours, and the battery capacity of the charging case is 400 milliamp hours. Standby time is up to 120 hours, and charging the entire thing takes about 1 to 2 hours. Aside from that, you've got the manufacturer's contact information, the BIS mark over here, and that's about it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the packaging, you've got a little sheet which has a QR code. You can scan that to get to the user guide. Then there's a little note of thanks along with another QR code which you can scan to get to the registration site for your warranty. The charging cable uses a micro USB interface on one end and a USB Type A interface on the other. And this thing is about 30 centimeters long. The additional tips are in small and medium size. The large ones come pre-installed on the earbuds. Then there's the charging case. We've got the micro USB interface on the back side for you to charge the device. The bottom has some information regarding the input voltage and everything. The front side has a little indicator at the bottom that should tell you the charge that is left inside. Once you place the earbuds inside the case, this thing lights up. As you can see, all 4 LEDs are lit up, and you know this has 100% charge left. That's it for the unboxing of the pTron Bassbuds Vista True Wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.